So that's it for me today, guys. Nailed some good trades. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Entries and exits. What did you trade? How's your month going? November's shaping up to be fairly decent. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I'll catch you on the next one. Well, guys, so I just got this email from Robinhood, and it's like new news. Like, if I could get this to open up so I can show it to you, that'd be great. All right, here we go. So let's make this box smaller, way smaller. And let's move this, of course. Of course. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me as I try to get this email up here so I can share it with you. Okay, so we got this. Where'd it go? Here we go. All right, guys, so here's the email. This is from Robinhood. It says, our next step in democratizing finance for all. Hey, Jesse, we've got big news. Robinhood is launching in the UK in early 2020, bringing commission-free trading to our friends across the pond. Here's where you come in. Help us spread the news by telling your friends in the UK. That way you'll be among the first to get access when we launch. Send them a link to our UK website. Here it is. So I'm going to drop the Robinhood links all below. You can use those there so that you can get credit. Like if you use my link, you'll get a free stock, etc. When you sign up with Robinhood. So this is great. I mean, I know that once E-Trade and TD and everybody started doing zero commissions, people outside of the US weren't too happy that they were still paying commissions to trade with these same brokers. So now Robinhood is going to try to beat them to the punch, and they're going to go ahead and go after the UK market. And that's huge because that's a huge market right there that they're clearly not involved in until now. So by going out there and saying, hey guys, we're here, we're going to give you trading access, investing access, and you're not going to pay a dime in commissions. Well, that's huge. They're going to probably get a lot of people to transfer over. Now, me as a day trader, I do not like Robinhood for day trading. It is too slow of a platform. It is not direct access either. And it lacks a lot of tools. However, for small swing trades or learning options or maybe even long-term investing in certain stocks and stuff, it has its place. It has its place, and we should all be extremely thankful to Robinhood because if it weren't for them and their zero commissions, there's no way in the world E-Trade, TD, and all these other people would have gone to zero commissions themselves. So thank you, Robinhood, for leading the fight in zero commission cost. So that's it. UK, get ready. Check the link in the description section below. That way you can download your Robinhood, and maybe they'll have a list so you can get on a list or something so that once they're active in early 2020, you can start using Robinhood and claim your free stock as well. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and I'll catch you on the next one.